So hello again, guys. I make a quick video. I hope it will be a quick video about how I've made this elevator system, which basically teleport the player from one spot to another inside the map. So I will create, let's say, different level, a different area inside the single scene, and I will so teleport the player from one spot to another. And to do this, I used a bit of C# and a bit of Game Creator 2 elements, because it's very useful and also very quick, so why not. Also, we have the marker, which is absolutely useful. So how did it work? But the script, which at the moment didn't work, but it's very simple, because basically it take the canvas and place the main camera inside the event camera, which at the moment didn't work, and I'm not really sure why, but I will discover it sooner or later. But this, let's see how it works. So this is the display. The display will be filled automatically with button for each floor of the level. And there is an elevator manager, which use a subclass with the number of the level, the description, and the spawn point. So every level of the elevator have another class, which called the elevator HUD, which have an instance of the elevator manager, because in this way it's faster to find the elevator manager. And also we didn't have the issue about one script runs before the other or after the other, so could be a little mess. The alternative is to go inside the project setting and sort the script with, to specify which script run after or before the other, but it's a mess, so doing this way is faster. Then we have the elevator button, which is the the parent of the button, and these have a vertical group, so every button will be placed in the vertical order, and nothing else, I guess. I have a slider, but I didn't work on it at the moment. This will be used to visualize the elevator moving up and down. At the moment didn't work, but sooner or later I will work on this too. I guess it's not this, but this, yes. So I will rise it up and down to simulate the elevation moving. And so the code, let's see the code quickly, which is inside the elevator display. Yes. So every floor of the elevator have the spawn point and the elevator button, which is, as I already said, the vertical group. The spawn point, it's interesting because it have some game creator stuff. So when the when the code run, first of all, come here. First of all, on awake, we'll disable the player spawn point, because we don't want to run the game creator code. And also we'll instantiate a button which is stored inside the elevator manager, which is here, the button. It's a prefab. So instantiate a button for every floor that we have specified inside the elevator manager, and also assign to the button an event on click. So on click we will activate the spawn point for the player, and if we are on the same level of the floor, in that case the button will get disabled, so we can click to go on the floor that we already are in, right? So basically this is it. There's nothing more, and also this is useless, so I can remove it, and that's it. It's pretty quick and not that much complex. Also, if Unity move a bit, so as I said, on the player spawner point, I set a marker so I can see, so I can decide on which side rotate the player when gets spawned, and so I will stop the player movement, so we will avoid the player moving for some reason, and then we teleport the player on the right position. Also on enable I will run this action. It's working pretty fine. The only problem that I have at the moment is about the camera position. Oh yeah, this is.
You're in the med bay. You've been out for a while.
Yeah, we thought we'd lost you for sure.
You're lucky to be alive.
Didn't work,
you
but
took
I
a
will
pretty
fix
bad
it.
hit. Just to be sure, can you?
I hope the audio don't break anything. So when we stand up, at the moment I need to do this by hand, because as I said, it didn't work as expected, probably because the camera gets spawned after the assign my camera to the canvas run, so for some reason it didn't work. Cool. Oh yeah, I have another issue that I have to fix, and it's about the canvas, because yes, it spawned the button, but as you can see the position isn't correct. Anyway, so once this is the wrong one, yeah, I need to fix it absolutely. So once you get in the elevator and you have the button, so you can click. As you can see, we changed the position, and then you get out and fall in the nothing else. Quindi yeah, this is working. This is how I do. This is how I made the elevator. I have a little bit of bugs, like the button that gets spawned in a strange position, but I will fix it. And also I realized that I need another camera, because using displays and buttons with the third-person camera is a mess, and also using the aiming camera is not a solution, because when you move the mouse, also the camera is still moving, so it's a disaster. So I will integrate a third camera shot, again from Game Creator, to have a fixed camera focusing on the object on we will interact. So I will add an hotspot here with press E or any other button to interact with the interactable object, and at that point I will change the shot. So once you click I don't know, I need to think about how to get in and get out from this shot. Hope it will be useful or inspiring to you too. Bye.